Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at Lunis Ali University of Leadership in Algeria. Today we are going to present our 10th lecture titled What is a Business Transaction? So I have divided my 10th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is a business transaction? What are the features of business transaction? Language activities including your building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Finally, your assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is a BT or a business transaction? A business transaction is an economic event that involves a third party for financial transaction. In firms with regular high volume business transactions, they maintain a special journal like sales journal or purchase journal. What are the features of business transaction? Here are the main features of a business transaction. Every business transaction should have a financial value. In a business transaction, it is necessary to involve two parties. Language activities. A transaction as a countable noun means a transaction between A and B, a piece of business that is done between people, especially an act of buying or selling. Synonym of deal. For example, using the internet can significantly reduce transaction costs. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.